digging some fresh carrots today out of the garden, even though it's been cold for a week.
Hola, buenos dias.
We mulched the carrots. You can see a little bit, some leaf compost that we put on top to insulate them. Carrots come out nice.
Yeah.
Well, with some dirt on them. But we're getting these out quicker than I anticipated because we have, see here, some mice that are making a home in them. So 3 rows back here. You see these are all the carrots from this row. 1, 2, 3 that we've dug over last day here. I was just gonna do this row, but these were getting really bad with the mice that I want to get all of them out sooner than we wanted, but they're in the ground long enough that the cold has made them nice and sweet. It's a nice cold spell, so they'll still store fine now once we get them in the washing area. It's about 41 degrees in there, so the carrots will store just fine in there too. So we'll take these back and we wash them right away, because if you don't, this will dry out, or the soil will dry out on the carrots, and when that happens, it's about impossible to wash them clean. You can wash them, but they'll be kind of like a dirt stain. So it's best to wash the carrots right when you harvest them, if you don't want to have to peel them or do any of that. But you just have to make sure, if you do that, to let them sit and dry out before you put them in your final storage bin. So here, just finished up the last row. We'll go back and wash them. So yeah, these are for the market on Friday. So you won't find any fresher carrots or sweeter carrots. So come out and see us on Friday between 2 and 6 p.m. Until next time.
Be well, Libra.